CSDCI focuses on the existing and increasing skill demands pertaining to the present and future developments in the construction industry. The Academy serves as a center for skills in training different levels of expertise in the field. One of these is Helper Facade Installer. To develop oneself as a skilled Helper Facade Installer, 300 hours of training is required, has to be at least 18 years of age, should have passed a minimum of 5th standard, have 0 to 6 months of experience. For experienced candidate, he may be assessed and issued with certificate based on his experience. Helper Facade Installer is responsible for identifying, shifting, collecting and stacking basic materials, tools and tackles for facade installation work, carrying out cleaning of panels and joints and application of primer on joints in facade. The individual should have knowledge about the environment, health, safety and safe working practices. There are many benefits of this course, namely working safely using these techniques, certificate approved by the government, employment opportunities in reputed organizations. Upon gaining experience, a person can move from a helper and become an assistant and then get promoted as a supervisor.
मैं ट्रेनिंग के बाद मैं और भी कुशल हो गया हूँ। मैंने टूल और टैकल और सही काम के लिए सही टूल की पहचान करना सीखा। मैं मेरे मूल स्थान से अपने दोस्त लोगों को भेजता हूँ। मैं पहले कच्चे हाथ के प्रशिक्षण के लिए इधर आया था, अब मैं एक कुशल कारीगर हूँ।
मैं ट्रेनिंग के बाद कुशल बन चुका हूँ। सामग्री का पता लगाना और काम की जगह पर जाना मुश्किल काम था। मैं अपनी मूल जगह से अपनी दोस्त को भी भेजता हूँ। ट्रेनिंग के लिए धन्यवाद। और आज मैं ट्रेनिंग के बाद कुशल बन चुका हूँ, समाज में अपना परिचय दे सकता हूँ।
CSDCI has given training to many people in the past few years. CSDCI is present all over India and is continuously putting all efforts to fulfill the dreams of Skill India. To make a career as a helper facade installer, please connect with us today itself through mail, phone, or through any link on the social media.